Welcome to Foxify. The option swatches feature is simple yet crucial for any store that offers products available in different variant colors. Product swatches build the ultimate user experience for your online store by allowing customers to visualize precisely what you're offering. In our video today, we will guide you on how to set up and customize your product option swatches. Now let's get started. To set up the swatches, you need to install the relevant extension. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the App Extensions section and find Product Option Swatches by Foxify from the list. In the extension pop-up, click Install Now. Once the extension has been installed, click back on it to customize the swatches. Fill in your color swatch trigger using your product option name that showcases your color variants. Then, in the Option Swatches settings, add and define your color swatches. To each item, add the exact option value and select the color from the palette or fill in the color code. You can use your custom image in your swatches. Once you've finished, click Update to save the new changes. Now, publish the page and check the live page. That's all for now. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future videos. If you have any questions or need help with anything, check out the resources linked in the description below or contact us via our in-app live chat. Thank you for watching.